सर्वांके नमस्कार. आमगेल व्हिडिओ सगळं तुम्ही सकटाई चैताय दुकुनो आमके छान संतोष असा. आमगेल या विशेष संस्कार तुम्ही कोण विसरूपणा तुम्ही तुंगल चड्डुआने हे मुकार्यन के घेन उचुका ते बेगेसल सना प्रयत्न तुम्ही घेने व्यू मात्र ने कोरका like, share and subscribe कोरका.
Most of us have munched on the famous Kerala banana chips. But the peel of the Kerala banana or nendarbane too can be made into a very delicious side dish. So when you're making banana chips, there's no wastage at all. You get crispy chips and a tasty side dish too. When I got a harvest of nendarbane Kerala, I decided to make some chips using a few bananas and use the peels to make my favorite Upkari. So here are the raw bananas that I am going to use to make chips. First, apply some oil to your hands. Then carefully slit the banana along the sides like this. Then, grasping it tightly, slightly twist it so that the peel loosens and can be removed easily. Remove the peel like this and collect it. Repeat this process with the rest of the bananas and collect the peels. In a bowl, take some water and add some haldi. Then drop the de-skinned bananas in it. Let them rest this way for some time. Meanwhile, take each part of the peel and scrape it lightly like this. Then chop them finely and drop in water so that they don't darken. I have saved a few peels for making a curry, which you can see in the next video. Now wash well and let the water drain off. Heat a karai with preferably coconut oil and splatter some mustard seeds. Switch off and after a minute add some chili flakes. You may instead add 2 broken red chilies too. Take care that they don't burn. Now add the chopped peel. Add a little water to cook and salt to taste. Cover and let cook on medium flame. Keep stirring in between. When it has cooked well, drizzle some more oil and let roast on low flame. The more it is roasted, the tastier it gets. This is now ready to be served. The bananas are now ready to be sliced. Use a sharp slicer and then drop the slices carefully in the hot oil so that they don't stick together. Or you can slice them directly into the hot oil, taking care not to get hurt. Add a teaspoon of salt solution to each batch of chips as they fry. Remove from oil when they have turned crisp. Enjoy the crispy chips and the delightful Upkari for lunch. As always, like, share and subscribe.